Hi to all my friends, family and my viewers. Welcome to Havilah's ELSHA kitchen. Today let us know how to prepare smoked chicken legs biryani. Wow! Yummy yummy biryani. Now let's start. Take a fresh and clean chicken leg pieces in a bowl and cut them as shown on the video. Add half a cup of fully whisked curd, 1 tablespoon garam masala, 1 tablespoon dhania powder, salt as per your taste, half tablespoon turmeric powder, half tablespoon cumin powder, 1 tablespoon pepper powder, 1½ tablespoon ginger and garlic paste, 1 to 2 tablespoons lemon juice, a little pinch of nutmeg powder, three to 4 tablespoons oil, 1 tablespoon green chilli paste. Mix well and apply this paste to the leg pieces and let it marinate for an half an hour. Take a tawa pan, add big cube of butter, place the joints on it and roast them on both sides. Once roasted, arrange the leg pieces as shown in the video and place a small bowl between them and lighten charcoal in it and add few drops of ghee on the charcoal. Once you see smoke coming out, you cover the entire preparation using a wrap so that smoke does not come out and the flavor gets absorbed to the leg pieces. Keep this covered for 10 to 15 minutes. Now take a big kadai, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil, 2 bay leaves, 2 Marathi MOGGU, small cinnamon, 1 star anise, 2 cardamom, 5 cloves, a little mace and stone flower. Add few cumin seeds and fry them until you get a very good aroma. Now add 1 tablespoon ginger and garlic paste and fry till the raw smell goes off. If you have any leftover marinated paste, add it here. Now add enough curd. Since I added leftover marinated paste, I added curd only a little. Add 1 tablespoon coriander powder, half tablespoon cumin powder, 1 tablespoon biryani masala and a half tablespoon green chilli paste. This is optional. And red chilli powder and fresh mint and coriander leaves. Brown onions and mix well. Meanwhile, take a bowl with water, add salt, few drops of oil. Once the water is heated, add soaked basmati rice. Let the rice cook. Now come to the gravy. Add salt as per your taste and mix well. Add half cup of water and cook for 5 minutes. Meanwhile, check rice. It need to be cooked only 70%. Strain the rice and add it to the gravy as shown it in the video. Keep leg pieces in between and place rice on top of them. Wow! Now add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Ghee is my favorite. Few fresh mint leaves, fried brown onions and cover it. I am not adding any colors. If you want, you can. Let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes until the rice becomes fluffy. Now the smoked chicken leg piece biryani is ready to eat. Serve it to your loved ones. Delicious, isn't it? Wow! Thanks for watching our video. Share it with your friends, family, WhatsApp, Facebook. Thank you. Bye-bye.